You made this event. Can you tell us a little bit about the history of the event?
It started really small. We had, I think, if I remember right, 40 to 60 works. And it was very few schools. And then it grew exponentially over time. We ended up adding the workshops so that this became an art making event as well as an art judging event. And so that was possible for any of the attendees who came on the second week. So they were able to just make art, whether it was the students themselves or their friends or their parents or friends of their parents, whoever showed up and wanted to be part of it. We've gone through a number of people here at Perpich, and Catherine Delia now has been hugely important to this whole thing as far as the Perpich side of things. And
I'm Catherine Delia. I am a visual arts instructor here at Perpich, and I'm studio arts chair. I've been involved for the past 5 years, but Perpich has been the kind of the destination for this event for many, many years. Only in the past 2 has Perpich students been involved in the festival itself. So we have artworks on display here along with incredible work from all over the region.